Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this Honor. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to Access, Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts and select Add at the bottom. Now tap on one of your contacts that you wish to select and tap on OK or Cancel in the pop-up. If you wish to or don't want to notify this contact about being your emergency one. You can do exactly the same to all the other important contacts by selecting Add Contact and tapping on all the other ones. As you can see, after that, all of my contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!